Abdul Latif Jameel is a company that has been incorporated nearly 75 years ago and have established and placed itself as the leading automobile distributor retailer in the region. The end game is to provide the best experience to our customers. If you are not able to transform your business, days are numbered.
We are enhancing our infrastructure to deliver a better services and better experience, a digitized way in talking to our customers. We need such systems like Appian to help us in achieving our goal to diversify the businesses and entering into new sectors.
You need to try to understand and make sense of all of this complexity. So you have three big sets of data: employee data, customer data, and operational data. Now, you need technology to link all three together and make better sense of it so that you plan a better strategy for your future. It's no longer the product as we understood it in the older days. Today it's much more about experience, about how well you serve my needs and how convenient it is.
We are responsible of digitalization of the processes of the customer experience, employee experience at Abdul Latif Jameel,
to provide the right information for our employees in the right time so that they can make more intelligent decisions.
We have been working on Appian to help us digitalize the processes internally and connect with our customers. Together with Appian and our solution partner, Vorum, we were able to digitalize 25 processes. Amongst them, we have decision making, legal contract review, invoice payments. These were very complex processes. We were able to really achieve a successful deployments, efficiency in managing our operations, and higher satisfaction with our internal customers and external as well. One of the major criteria we're looking for is the mobility of the solution. We used to have hundreds of bank accounts resident with our distribution centers and network. By digitalizing the process, understanding the challenges we had, and using Appian solution, we were able to reduce these into 10. In the future, we are reducing them to 4 accounts. We were able to do a tremendous cost saving in this process. For us with Appian, integration was very smooth and we were able to achieve the project at the same time with the integration efforts. We were also able to redeploy the applications for other departments by only modifying slightly the code. So this is one of the major advantages that we achieved with Appian.
Now, we have adopted and reviews now for a few years Appian, which helped us tremendously in actually accelerating the decision-making process that used to be done in weeks. Now it's done in hours.